2021 Best Pre-Built Gaming PCs. Everyone assumes that serious gamers really put in the time and effort to build their gaming PCs from scratch. Today, it's become really common for people to go out and build their gaming computers from scratch. This way, you can really hunt for parts and build your computer the way you want to. Now, while that might sound like a pretty cool idea, the reality is a little different. Not everyone has the time or money to go on multiple shopping sprees to build their PC component by component, which is where pre-built gaming PCs come in. With pre-built PCs, you get the option of walking into a store and coming out with your perfect computer right there and then. Pretty cool, right? Which is why in this video, we're giving you a roundup of some of the best pre-built gaming PCs in 2021 to help you find your best fit. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the best technology videos out there. Now, let's jump into the video. 1. Alienware Aurora R12. Alienware PCs are known for their remarkable specs and high performance, and the Aurora R12 is not different. Not only does it look cool, but this computer comes with everything you'll ever need in a gaming PC. Built with the 10th generation Intel processor and a liquid-cooled graphics card, your gaming experience will be as smooth as ever if you choose to buy this bad boy. With over 128GB of overclockable high-performance XMP DDR4 memory, even the heaviest of games will run perfectly on this model. You can play games, stream them, and chat with people and look at guides all at the same time. And even then, if you need to upgrade your system with bigger RAM or larger SSD, the R12 will let you do that without a second thought. With a futuristic design and even better user experience, the Aurora R12 retails for around $2,999 and is worth every penny you spend on it. 2. Corsair Vengeance i7200. At $2,400, the Corsair Vengeance is a relatively affordable option when it comes to pre-built gaming PCs, but it still offers you extremely high-end features for a premium gaming experience. With a minimal design, this PC means business and offers CPUs up to Intel i9 and GPUs up to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, offering customizable options for your specific gaming needs. The computer also comes with RGB lighting with its entire setup to really add to your entire gaming experience, and also features quiet fans so that you aren't disturbed during your sessions. Pairing everything up with the Corsair's very own headphones, mousing pad and lighting, this PC will definitely make you feel like a professional gamer, and that too on a budget. 3. Dell G5 Gaming Desktop. Dell is an old player in the world of computers. But what most people don't know is that the company also manufactures some of the most powerful gaming PCs out there. The Dell G5 is a beast that offers you the perfect en route into the gaming world at a really nice price. Dell does this really great thing where they keep on giving you updates for your pre-built PC, making sure that your experience is never affected due to old software. Featuring 10th gen Intel chips, a 16th generation NVIDIA card, the G5 will be able to handle almost any game you will ever want to play. The Dell G5 is one of the most powerful PCs for gaming and comes with features like VR compatibility and a CPU cooler that keeps your PC from heating up even in the most intense gaming sessions. With a compact design, the Dell G5 takes up as little space as ever, but even then it doesn't fail to stand out among the crowd. 4. Asus Rog Ga15. Asus computers have a reputation for being lightweight and still packing a punch, and the ROG is no different. This computer is a powerhouse when it comes to gaming and offers excellent value for money. The PC can easily transition from a work computer to a gaming computer in no time, making it versatile and fun to use at the same time. With the 3700X processor and the 2060 Super Graphics card, 16GB of RAM and 256GB SSD, plus 2TB HDD combo, there really is nothing that this PC doesn't have. With RGB lighting, quiet fans and a modern design, the gaming experience on the Asus ROG is pretty seamless. With thoughtful details like a built-in carry handle and headphone hook, keeping your battle station neat and portable, the Asus ROG definitely packs a punch at a price tag of a little over $1,200, which is definitely worth all you get when you buy this beast. 5. HP Omen 30L Gaming Desktop. Every industry has some major players that dominate the market in every era, and as far as computers go, HP is that player. So if you're a gamer looking for a reliable computer that will offer you a smooth gaming experience, you cannot really go wrong with the HP Omen 30L. Why? Because this rebuilt PC offers you the quietest gaming you will ever experience, making your gameplay as immersive as ever. With its powerful hardware and an even more powerful cooling system, the HP Omen is built for intensive gaming sessions with 10th Gen Intel processors, graphics up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, a 64GB RAM, storage up to 2TB SSD, along with a 2TB HDD. All of this comes at a price tag of $2,439. But with the kind of gaming you will get to do on this PC, it's well worth it. 6. Origin Pc Millennium. Trust me, all you need to do is take one look at this PC and you will want to snatch it up at once. But hey, not only does the Origin Millennium look beautiful, it also operates beautifully. This is a PC that offers you complete customization where you can pick a case that works best for your gaming station. This beast of a PC comes with a front panel made out of resilient steel featuring a tempered glass side panel so you can really see what's going on inside the machine. The computer all comes fitted with a quiet ventilation system with multiple fans and radiators, along with dust filters and liquid cooling to keep your PC from overheating and disrupting your gameplay. Not only is this a computer that will offer you high quality features, but it will also last a long time, making it well worth all the money you spend on it with the Intel i9 processor, up to 124GB of memory and as many as 6 storage devices. 7. Acer Predator Origin 3000. If you're looking for an all-rounder pre-built gaming PC, the Acer Origin 3000 is going to be your best friend. At a price tag of around $2,199, the Acer Predator Origin offers a fantastic 4K compatible performance, offering the best value at this price point. With customizable RGB lighting, the PC not only looks good, but it also performs perfectly with the most intense games without ever overheating. And while 1440p is the best quality that it offers, most games will also work well with 4K without any kind of compromise on their gameplay or frame rate. Offering tons of storage and the option to upgrade your hardware, the Acer Predator is a solid choice for serious gamers. 8. Corsair One i164. If you want a pre-built PC that works well without taking too much of your space, the Corsair One i64 is a compact computer that packs a punch like no other. With an Intel Core i9 processor and a 32GB RAM, there really is no limit to the kind of gaming you can experience on this bad boy. With the computer's lightweight form, it's easy to carry around and pleasing to look at. It's built around an RTX 2080 Ti and contains 960GB SSD and a 2TB HDD, and that's how this PC can handle the most intensive modern games without ever so much as taking a second to stop. This PC can also handle games with 4K quality and is powerful enough for high-quality rendering, CAD and other similar softwares, making this the perfect work/gaming hybrid. Now this PC comes at a price of around $3,499, but hey, what else can you expect from a computer as high performance as this? 9. CUK Mantis Gaming Desktop. The CUK Mantis is one of those computers that was actually designed for long hours of intense gaming, which is why it's equipped with a powerful 10th generation Intel Core processor with a 32GB RAM that loads even the heaviest of games within seconds. At a price point of just $2,000, the CUK Mantis comes with an RTX 3080 10GB graphics card and 64GB of DDR4 memory, and is powerful enough to allow you to play games at 1440p and even 4K without affecting the framework in any way. The system also comes with an AIO cooler to make sure that your gaming goes uninterrupted. With a large interior cavity to allow upgrades, the rainbow keyboard and mouse bundle, and the 4mm tempered glass side panel to put your powerful system on display, the Mantis has the ability to make any gaming station look luxurious. 10. Msi Aegis Ti5. The Msi Aegis looks like something straight out of a science fiction film with its cyborg-like build, which means that it will definitely impress anyone who looks at your gaming station, not only in terms of design, but also with the features that it's packing inside. This futuristic-looking PC includes an Intel Core i9-10900K CPU, and a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card for pushing triple-digit frame rates at 4K resolution. The great thing about this PC is that it allows you to play games and work simultaneously without compromising on speed and quality. And what more could you ever want from a gaming PC? But that's not all the Aegis offers. The computer's lightweight build allows you to carry it anywhere in case you need to bring it over to a friend's for jewels and need your trusty PC by your side. The computer also features a Thunderbolt 3 port, allowing you to transmit all kinds of data 4 times faster than a normal USB. Not just that, but it's also built keeping in mind the upgrades that gaming PCs require, which is why the hardware is built to be accessible and replaceable with bigger components to expand your storage, upgrade your graphics cards, and make sure that your machine is always up to date with the latest technology. All of this comes with a price tag of $3,399, but considering the fact that this is one computer that has everything you might ever need for a seamless gaming experience, the price tag is definitely justified. That's a wrap for 2021 Best Pre-Built Gaming PCs. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, if you like this video, I highly recommend you watch this video here on the top left about how Bitcoin works. Until next time, bye.